So my name is Alec Poulton and I'm the director for Glenvern Group. Okay, so Glenvern Group specialises in what we call visualisation, simulation, emulation and digital twins. We work predominantly with the Emulate 3D software by Rockwell Automation. We assist customers with both what we call visualisation, so visualisation of concept for automation and material handling solutions. We then take that into the simulation level where we can test and prove out conceptual ideas, what-if scenarios, as well as assist in the setup of what we call emulation and digital twin models. We provide the Emulate 3D software to Applied. We also then provide training and technical support. Emulate 3D now has been around for 20 years this year. And we personally think it's one of the global leaders for what we call industrial automation or digital engineering tools. We position ourselves as the experts in the Emulate 3D software, and one of the key values of Emulate 3D is its ability to connect to industrial control systems. And so partnering with specialists in those control systems is something that we find of value. So someone like Applied Robotics, who then has the capability to design and deploy control systems. We see integrators such as Applied Robotics as the experts in the design of robotics automation solutions and similar automation applications. We specialise in the digital side of that, so in the Emulate 3D delivery. A digital twin can be as accurate to the real system as you like. And so by having a digital twin in Emulate 3D of an automation solution, it allows you to have a digital representation of a solution which can be quite costly to have a physical representation for. So from a learning perspective, you can have Emulate 3D at multiple sites, but you don't need to have the physical solution at that exact site. You can have the digital version and you can access that from anywhere where you've got a computer. Not only that, it's quite easy to update the Emulate 3D model to represent a new version or a new update to the physical system. And that can be done very cost effectively, as you don't need to update physical hardware.